Hey everybody, it's me, Angelina, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be making slime. Yeah, slime has been very popular lately, and I feel like I didn't really do like a slime video, so I think I'm going to do a slime video, and then I'm going to do another video if my friend comes over today. So yeah, let's get on with it. So I have my saline solution, and then I have my cornstarch, which you need, and your Elmer's glue, and then you also need your Barbasol, and most importantly, you have a spoon and a bowl. The cap fell in! Dang it! Not the cap, like the thing that goes over this. I'm so mad. Alright, so now I didn't make anything yet. So now I just put the glue in the bowl, and now what you want to do is just add some cornstarch. So now I'm going to be mixing the cornstarch and just blending it in basically with the glue. So you don't want any cornstarch chunks getting into it, because that's just gross. I've had slime like that before, and you really don't want that. So make sure you mix it in a lot till there's no chunks of cornstarch. And yeah. Also, cornstarch makes your slime thicker and better than without cornstarch. It's not really that good, but with cornstarch it's really good. So I would prefer you using that. And it's still droopy, I know, but that doesn't really help it. You need an activator and Barbasol. So next I put in Barbasol, and yeah. So what you want to do is just put a little bit in at a time, so you don't really ruin it, because that's what you want to do when you're making slime. Add a little bit of ingredients at a time, so you know if it needs more of this or that, if you don't think you didn't add enough. But you could do whatever. I'm just giving you advice. So now that I really mixed in the shaving cream, I'm gonna go ahead and do the contact solution. But before that, I'm really mixing it and making sure that it's all good mixed in, even the cornstarch, because the cornstarch could still be not mixed in. But yeah, so I'm still mixing it in, and it's still droopy, but you really don't want that, so you gotta add saline solution. It doesn't really matter which contact solution you need, as long as it has the boric acid in it, then you're totally fine. So yeah, now that I'm adding that in, I add kind of a lot, because if I add a little bit at a time, then it doesn't really work together, and it's just getting really annoying. So yeah, and make sure you want to really mix it in, and you'll start to see a change in the slime, how it's starting to form, but you need to add more until it's real slime. So now, if you added a lot of this you're gonna have to, and it's not forming together, you're gonna have to add more shaving cream. So you can add as much as you want, but don't add an entire bottle, because that will just be a mess. So yeah, and I'm just gonna be mixing this do anything, like you're just gonna waste it. So just try to add more shaving cream. As you can see, the slime is starting to form. I know it's a little sticky, but it'll go away once I start eating it, and yeah. It's a little sticky, but what I just said, as I start eating it, it'll go away. I really don't like sticky slime. Like I get like really frustrated because it gets on me. But hopefully I'll make it through this. Now this is the part where you add saline solution. If it's really sticky and you've been adding shaving cream, add saline solution. It will help it like a lot. It helps with my slimes. And it's starting to help me right now. Sort of. Like it kind of took some of the stuff off my hands. That's still shaving cream on my hands. But yeah. Still really sticky, and more shaving cream too. I'm pretty sure that'll help. Rub it on, that's what I do. Really sticky, like that's what happened to me in the video, then add contact solution or saline solution. It doesn't really matter which one because they're both the same. So yeah, add that, and if that doesn't help, which it should, then I would prefer to add more shaving cream. But I added the contact solution and it helped for me. But I felt like making it more fluffier, so I just decided to